This Remax of Hot Springs Village property video is presented by Phillip Pierce. Imagine this, staring out at the number 6 green of Coronado golf course while eating breakfast. An oversized tub after a long day. A home office or spare bedrooms for visiting family, and an open floor plan that ensures you're always in on the action. A lovely back patio perfect for creating laughter and memories. Being able to enjoy the golf course, restaurant, or walking trails that are just down the road. All of these things can be yours with this wonderful, ready-to-go property. Agent C remarks. For more information, review the details below or contact Phillip Pierce at 501-762-6388.